class what we learned? Yes, in last class we learned 41 to 45 numbers and numbers names and how we have to count the teddy bear face. Yes children, all of you did your homework? All of you did your homework? ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮ homework ಅನ್ನ? Yes, all of you trace your numbers. All trace na? Very good. Then today we start our class with the 45 after numbers. 45 after number is 46. 46 to 50 numbers. Today we start in our class. Okay children? Numbers. Numbers 46 to 50. 46 to 50 numbers we are reading in your today's class. Okay? Before starting our class, we all are saying one prayer. Okay? Join your hands, close your eyes, say with me. Vakratunda Mahakaya Suryakoti Samaprabha Nirvignam Kurumedevu Sarvakareshu Sarvadha. Yes children, slowly open your eyes. Then first we will memorize the last class. Okay? Then tell me children, how we have to read the number 41? 4, 1, 41. After the 41, which number will come? 4 to 42. After the 42, 4, 3, 43. After the 43, 4, 4, 44. After the 44, 4, 5, 45. Yes children, these much numbers we learned in our last class and also we learned the numbers names. If you know the number name of 40, you can easily write the 41 to 49 numbers. Children, I am telling this matter more times because you have to memorize the number 40. Okay? Okay. Then after the 45, which number will come? That is a 46. How we have to write the number 46? You know? You don't know? Then today we see how we have to write the number 46. 46. 4, 6, 46. This is a number of 46. We have to write like this. The number 46. 4, 6, 46. The number name of 46 is, you all know na children, the number name of 40. Then tell me what is the spelling of 40? Tell me. Very good. F-O-R-T-Y. Now 40. Right here. F-O-R-T-Y 40. Then what is the number name of a 6? What is the spelling of a 6? Huh? S-I-X. Yes children? S-I-X. It makes a number name 46. F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 46. Okay? How we have to read the number 46? 4, 6. 46. F-O-R-T-Y-S-I-X. 46. Like this we have to read. Okay? Okay. Then all of you open the page number 157. In page number 157, they are given us a number 46. See here. You have to trace the number 46 and you count you already did this work. You all now count the teddy bear's face. Once again you have to count. How many teddy bears are there here? You count and you after counting you will get the number that is 46. Okay You have to read the number first, 46. After you have to read the number name FORTYSIX 46 and count the teddy bear face, and below they are given a tracing box. You have to trace that given number and turn the page. Yes. Here you have to do circle the 46. You already did, children. Huh? You already did in 21 to 45 numbers you already did. Like that we have to do. Okay? Okay. Then after the 46, which number will come? That is the 47. How we have to write the number 47, children? As 4, 7, 47. 4, 7, 47. How we have to read the number 47? 4, 7, 47. Then the number name of 47 is FORTYSEVEN. 47. The number name of 40 and the number name of 7. It makes the number 47. Okay? Yes. Are you got the idea, children? Okay. Then read me. Read. Which number this one? 4, 7, 47. FORTYSEVEN. 47. Like this, you have to read. In page number 159, they are given a number 47 in a numeral form and in a numbers name also. And below they are given a teddy bear face. You have to count. This is your homework. You already know, children, how you have to do this work. Huh? That's why I am telling you little bit only. Okay? Here you have to circle the 47 number. Below you have to write the 4747 without seeing. Okay? Okay. Here is the what number, children? This is, tell me, in page number 161. What number this one? What is this? 4. This one? 8. 4, 8. 48. Okay. Which number we will got here? 4, 8, 48. Then we have to write like this. 4, 8, 48. Then the number name of 48. Huh? 40 spelling you have to write. Very good. FORTY. Then 8 spelling. EIGHT. 48. As this is the number 48. 48. 48. FORTYEIGHT. 48. You have to read like this. You have to read this one neatly. Not FORTYEIGHT. This is the wrong method. You have to read FORTYEIGHT. 48. Like this you have to read. Okay? In page number 161, they are given a teddy bear face. Count. How many teddy bears are there here? Count, children. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Finger on your picture. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. After the 36, very good. 37, 38, 39, 40. After the 40, 41, nice. 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48. How many teddy bears are there here, children? The numbers of our teddy bears are 48. Already they are given here. S. Very good. Like this, we have to trace the number 48 and say, after the finishing your tracing, you have to say number 48. Here you have to circle the number 48 and below you have to write the number 48 without saying. After the 48, which number will come? That is the 49. 49. The number name of a 49 is F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E. 49. I already told you, children, if you know the number name of a 40, you can easily write the 41 to 49. I told you. Yes. We can easily write now 41 to 49. As we know 40 spelling, also we know 1 to 9 spellings. That's why we've written 41 to 49 numbers easily. Okay? Okay. Then 49, 49, F-O-R-T-Y-N-I-N-E, 49. Like this we have to read. In your textbook, you have to trace the number 49 and you have to circle the number 49 and you have to write the 49 number without a seeing. Okay. After the 49, the number will come. That is the 50. 50. Then how we have to write the number 50? Here, see children. Here, after the 4, which number will come? That is the 5 and 0. This is our number 50. Okay. The number name of a 50 is F-I-F-T-Y. 50. The number name of 50 is F-I-F-T-Y. 50. Yes, children, we have to read the 50 number name because as we can easily write the number 51 to 59. Okay? Okay. How we have to read the number 50? 50, F-I-F-T-Y, 50. This is the number 50. In your textbook, they are given a number name. You have to read the number name and you have to count the teddy bear's face and trace the number 50. Okay? Okay. And circle the number 50 and write without the seeing. And here they are given one horse and with the numbers. You have to trace that numbers. See children, here is one is there, you are see. After the 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, you have to say and trace this line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Where is the 12 here? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. If you join the number 1 to 50, you will get your one horse picture. Okay, children? Carefully join the number 1 to 50. When you are joining the number, you have to say after number. Okay? Okay, turn the page. Here, one side they are given number and another side they are also given number. You have to circle the right one side numbers. You already did, children. Like this, we have to do. Okay? Okay. Here they are given one mat with the missing numbers. Here they are given few numbers like 1, 7, 13, 19, 25, 29, 33, 37, 41, 47. Like this number they are given. You have to fill the numbers 1 to 50. Okay, you have to write like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You have to write like this. The number 1 to 50, children. Are you understood? Do this work in your home. This is your homework. This is your homework. Okay. Today we learned today's class we learned the number 46 to 50 numbers. Yes. 46 after the number is 47. 47 after number is 48. 48 after number is 49. 49 after number is 50. And also we know the numbers names. Okay children, till today's class we learned 1 to 50 numbers and numbers names. Okay? Yes. In ಮುಂದೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಈ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು, ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಹೇಗೆ ಬರಿಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಬರಿಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ? Okay, you have to know children numbers and numbers names in your next class. It means in your UKG class continuation is there. After the 50 numbers you have to read in your UKG class. Okay, ಅವನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬರಬೇಕು 1 to 50 numbers ಬರಬೇಕಲ್ಲ. That's why you have to read children. Okay? Okay, in our next class we will do another activities of a numbers 1 to 51. Till then, take care, have a good day, read more times 1 to 50 numbers and numbers names. Okay children? Bye.